Um, Yo, what's up, Zooksters? How's it going on today? I'm going to be showing you how to use converted action replay codes on the Wii for Nintendo GameCube. And today I'm going to be showing you how to convert GameCube Action Replay codes to WiiRD, so they will work. Make sure you have the game. Make sure you have everything. So let's get on with the video. I want to convert Soul Calibur 2. Let's say I want to play Soul Calibur 2 and play it as Inferno. So okay, so you wanna go onto this gamehacking.org website, and there are some other codes. Let's say I'm gonna play it as Inferno. So okay, so you copy this code, go on to GC Encrypt, and then you're gonna have to enter the name of the code, player 1, player 1, play as Inferno by Baza. Then all you gotta do is copy the bottom code, because the first line of the code is a so-called verifier line, which doesn't let the action replay converted codes, which won't let the converted action replay codes work. So then you want to go into GCN AR to WiiRD code type converter. Okay, so you paste the code here. So you paste the bottom code here. Wait, sorry. So you convert it, and here we are. It's the exact same. And all you need is a text code which has the codes converted from Action Replay, or you copied them from the GC Forever website or whatever. Then you paste it right here. Sorry. And then you paste the code here and then paste it. Okay, so now we'll try out the codes. Eject the SD card and eject the SD card, and let's try out the game. Okay, so now that we have the converted action replay codes entered, we will finally insert the Soul Calibur 2 disc, and then we open USB Loader GX, open the disk. And make sure Ocarina is on. You can see the Inferno code is on, and make sure Ocarina is on, okay? Make sure Ocarina is on. I have the Action Replay codes converted to WiiRD, so they'll work. And then start the game and see if the Inferno cheat works. Make sure you don't copy the first line, because the first line of the code is a verifier line which doesn't let the Action Replay code work. Which doesn't let the Action Replay codes work. So when you use the Inferno code, you unlock everything. Unlock everything code is on, and there you have it. The Inferno code is on. So that is how to use converted Action Replay codes on a game, which is a game on the Wii. So that's how to convert Action Replay codes to WiiRD, which is Gecko. Way better, because I told you if you copy the first line of the code, the Action Replay codes won't work. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoy the 6th anniversary of Zook Star. Goodbye.